Welcome to my tutorial on using Microsoft Word 2010 to create personal invitations. I will be showing you step by step the card templates you can choose from and how to insert text and images creatively, both outside and inside a card, using Microsoft Word 2010. Before creating your card, you must plan out what type of card you are planning to make. For this tutorial, I will be designing a birthday invitation for a fall tea party as an example. When creating your invitations, there are several ways you can design your cards. The first way is in the general letter format. In this way, you can use the Microsoft Word page that shows automatically. In this type of letter, you can use the whole page, three-fold the card, and place it in the envelope from there. If you're looking for a more traditional card, under File, New, you will find different formats you can use in Microsoft Word to create all types of formats. Since we are doing a personal invitation, we are going to go in the cards section. Clicking here, Microsoft Word will bring up several different types of cards you can use. For my example, I am doing a birthday card, so I will use occasions and events. From here you will see there are different formats listed. Here there's options for a quarter fold card. In this card, as it shows, it will be folded into fours. This will be being one single card when it's printed out. As you can see, there is the front of the card, which will then be folded into the back of the card, which will then have the inside of the card. It is useful to use the templates in Microsoft Word because they show you exactly how the images of your card will be oriented. Going back into the cards section, there's also the next option is a horizontal card. In this example, you'd be using the full 8.5 by 11 piece of paper and then folding it in half. This would be the front, and right above it is the back. As you can see, there is no card section, an occasion and events cards, postcards, recipe cards. In the available templates, holiday cards has the most options. When you're scrolling through the available templates, you will be able to see the different types of cards that are available. The third choice you have is having a vertical card. As you can see, this template gives you on the right, the front of the card, on the left, the back of the card, and on the next page, on the right is where your text will go, and the inside of the card, and the left will fold over. Microsoft 2010 also gives you an option of creating 2 vertical cards per page. In this example, again, on the right is the front of the card, to the left is the back of the card. The second page, on the right, your message is written, and on the left will fold over. If you do not see in the available templates the template you are looking for, up above you can search Office.com templates Here I am looking for greeting cards too. This will tell the search engine that I'm looking for a greeting card that has 2 cards on each 8 by 11 page. Here I find a card I am looking for, which is the last example. It is a horizontal with 2 cards per page. Now that I have the card template I am looking for, I am going to use this template as a guideline in creating my own design. As you can see, you can click and delete any part of the template that is given to you. You can decide to keep the images of the template or delete the parts you do not need anymore. Now that the original image is clear, I can add my own designs to the template. To begin with, I'm going to insert clip art. In the search bar, I'm going to look for fall backgrounds. Here, clip art already provides a wide arrangement of backgrounds. To insert my image, as you can see, the picture automatically pushes your template down. Don't worry, just right click on the image, select text wrap, through text, it'll pop up back and you should be able to move it to the right and scale it down. If it's not the size of your original area, once you line it up, you can always use picture tools, which automatically pops up in the bar above. You can crop the image. You can change the color of the image. Microsoft 2010 allows you to preview what the colors will be like before you insert the color. Because this is a fall tea party, I will keep the design fall-like. It is important when you're creating a background that you keep it the same relative size as the original template. This will serve as a guideline when you're later printing, so that your image is not cut off. You will also need an extra area in the middle, so when you're later cutting the card in half, you will have equal margins. With text boxes, you can later change the color as you go so you do not lose your text box. To add more dynamic images, you can layer backgrounds. Again, right click, wrap text, and through the text. You can later descale the image. You also have the options to rotate to the right 90 degrees. Let me descale so it fits the area. If you need the picture tool to pop up again, just click the picture. That will allow you to rotate. You can flip vertically, horizontally, and rotate to the right, depending on what you want your design to look like. This completes the tutorial using Microsoft Word 2010 to create personal invitations.